guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalista here, and I'm giving you a swimsuit haul. I'm a little scared. Cause I'm gonna try them on for you, cause you got to see what they look like, right? CUPSHE reached out to me and offered to send me some swimwear of theirs and even a cover up. It's super cute, and I'm doing this video for them. And yeah, so this is my CUPSHE haul, and I wanted to kind of share with you about them because I had purchased from them a few years ago. It was both my daughter and I. She found them, I think, probably on Instagram. We were looking for sort of a retro swimsuit, and we both got like this high-waisted striped little, it looks like a little 1950s swimsuit, like little Norma Jean, you know, would wear before she was even Marilyn. And it was really cute. And so when they reached out to me, I'm like, yeah, I know about your stuff. It's very affordable. I want to say it's about $25. They have two pieces, one piece. They have swim covers. They have the mix and match bottoms. So I got everything in a size medium, and things might fit, some things might fit better on me than others. There's some combinations that, even though they're sold together, I would benefit from having a small on top and a medium on bottom, but that's okay. We will deal. You guys can see the different patterns and designs for yourself. And yeah, so I'm going to show them to you right now. I'm doing it in the spirit of my other clothing hauls I do and unboxings. So I'll lift up the pieces for you to see, and then I'll give you like a little mini fashion show. Also, it's kind of funny how much bronzer I have on. I don't think this is what J-Lo does. I mean, maybe she does, but, or anyone else for that matter that does any kind of catalog, any kind of modeling of swimwear. I am wearing a crap ton of bronzer, and it's probably still not enough. And also, just to let you know, I am not a swimsuit model. So my body has all kinds of stretch marks, dimples, and weird sort of mole things, all fine and benign, but described by my dermatologist as hereditary and barnacles. So it's just the way I am. This is a two-piece. I don't know if I have descriptions of them, but what I will do is I have links for everything. So any kind of links or promotions, all are in my description box. Please, every video, anytime I share something, especially a product that the company sends me, look in the description box, because you just never know if there is a discount code. Okay. This is really cute. So this is the one of the ones that is just a two-piece, and I don't actually think I have mix and match. I think I have two-piece sets and a one-piece. But I know that this is the one with the high-rise bottoms, and it's so cute. So this is actually a little bit ruched. There it is. So these are kind of ruched and just like a regular sort of swimsuit bottom, but they have a high rise to them. And then the top is here, and it has the little ruffles, and it's so cute. It's really cute. I love this color combination. This one piece to me is very retro inspired. It has such a sweet nautical appeal to it, and then it's got like this peekaboo belly, so it's kind of cute. So it's got the striped top. I believe this is black and white, not navy. Yeah, I think this is black. And then it has the belly cutout. It has the strap goes around to the back, and then it's kind of also sort of high-waisted, because this just comes up around my belly button, and then this is ruched too. So these are fun suits if you want to get something kind of flirty, kind of different, but that has, you know, we're not talking string bikini, because, yeah, I've never worn a string bikini. Did I? No. And this is the cover. It's just like a crocheted knit poncho. And it's a one size thing. There's one size fits all or most. And it just slips over the head. It's got the armholes. It's got the little tassels for, you know, on trend kind of thing. And it's cute. It just covers the tushy, I think. And it's nice when you want to cover up. It's not like, oh, I'm gonna wear this as a dress and maybe go to the store with my kids. It's more of a, oh, I don't feel like sauntering around the pool in, you know, my full bikini, so I'm just gonna throw this on and then go to the bar or chat with someone and not just, you know, and you just feel, also sun protection, right? Even though it's got holes, but still. This little two-piece thing is so cute. This is very much a traditional bikini. It's like a teal stripe. Love it. Do have a feeling what's going to happen is the top might be a bit big and the bottom a little small because I just don't have much to fill. But look at the little ruffle. That's so cute. Oh, yeah. Also, I don't think these are adjustable. Some are, some aren't. And I think these are not. And again, hoping it's going to fit. It is adjustable, thank goodness. Look at this yellow gingham. Oh my gosh, yes. I need to do like a little pinup pose, right? Is this just the cutest? It also has just the smaller bottoms that are with the ruffles, and it has like a little ruched thing at the butt crack, which I feel like that is for young, cute people. I am a cute people, I'm not so young. I'm so funny. Okay, so I just love this. It's so cute. Now, if it's gonna fit me or not, I'm trying it on for you guys. This is like girlfriend to girlfriend so that you can get an idea of how it looks, and you can kind of reference that for your own purpose. If you're interested in these suits, I have a longer torso. I'm a little pear-shaped. I'm usually about a size 4, size 6. And so typically I size up in swimsuits. That's just how things are, right? And yeah, so, you know, this is just purely, think of it as informational. I'm not like trying to parade around in swimwear. But it's fun. I think we all should just be less self-conscious about what we wear to the pool. We do this thing where we're like, oh, I don't want to show off my body. And then we regret not having fun with our kids. And honestly, I remember hanging out with my mom when I was a little kid, and I just wanted to play outside with her or have her take me to the pool. I didn't understand what she looked like in her swimsuit or compare her to other ladies at the pool. I just wanted to hang out with her. So remember that. Just have fun, put on whatever you want to wear, whether it's little or a lot, and just enjoy yourself, or stay in the shade or an air-conditioned place and watch TV if you don't want to go outside, because I get that too. Okay, I'll be right back in the suits. This suit is a little too big up here, so it could use just a little bit of like more filling in, despite how cute it is. And then the bottoms cut in just a smidge where, like, you know, my hips kind of are, like where I have, I mean, if I have a muffin top, I suppose. It kind of gives me a muffin top. But it's super cute. You can see like the butt is kind of cheeky, but not too terribly cheeky. So, I mean, right? Hello, it's sweet. I like it, but I wouldn't go splashing full on diving in a pool because the top would just go like that. So, there you are. I love this green stripe top. It's so cute, you guys. Look at that. Look at that little ruffle. What a cute detail. So this one seems to fit me a little bit better, I think. I feel a little more secure in it. So love this. And you know, I mean, some people, if you wear your swimsuit bottoms like this, then great. I don't know. I think some people might think these fit perfectly. I'll give a quick turn. Hello. So, you know, I feel pretty good in this. I mean, it's just, I have a little bit of flesh right there, but who cares? I think it fits. It feels comfortable. It's so much fun. I don't know if I would I feel so exposed, but I think it's just so cute. So I would totally wear this on a beach in Hawaii on vacation. I sure would. But see, look, I got a little pooch gone. I got a little, you know, extra skin. I got some stretch marks. So, hey, we just gotta love ourselves how we are, right? Here's the cute little cover up. Do you see what I mean? It's just, it's so light and airy, but it'll just give you a break from the sun. It's actually a little longer than I thought. And it's got this, it kind of laces up with the strings. Tassels are really, really big right now. This is just, it's easy going and it's cute. I think with a pair of wedges, you know, just go to your pool party and rock on, right? It doesn't it just have like this little Jane Mansfield type vibe to it? Like, hi. So if this feels more comfortable to you to have a little more coverage, but still kind of flirty, right? I mean, I'm showing off. And yeah, it's super comfortable. I could totally wear this easily. I think a mom with like little kids could pull this off too, and she would have that security of being covered, but also feel like, hey, look at me, I look cute in a swimsuit, right? I love the color combination of this one. The top is a little bit big on me. I'm not quite filling it out. So if you are bigger in the bust and smaller here, this could be good for you. But the bottoms do fit nicely. So I would just go, I wouldn't go up a size in the bottoms. I would go down a size in the top. But the color scheme is so cute. Can you see that? I kind of dig this shade. I feel like it's really flattering against like a self-tan. So yeah. Well, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my CUPSHE haul, unboxing, and little swimsuit fashion show. You're welcome. I will leave all the links to the items themselves in the description box. Thanks again, CUPSHE, for sending those to me. I can't wait to hit some warm weather. Maybe I'll just go out front and wash my car on my driveway. Just throw on a bikini and wash that mom car. I'm sorry, my brain. I know. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Please do so. If you haven't, welcome. If you have, thank you. And thanks again for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.